And finally, we have Add Foreign Key Constraint. So from the previous challenge, now we need to alter the table dim product 2 and add a foreign key constraint for column color, which is the dim product 3 here. So write a script for this requirement, give the constraint name, this one. It has to be product 3. Yeah. So let's go back to SQL statement. For this, what we need to do here? First of all, we need to alter the table again. So we can use the same statement, alter table dim product 3, and then we need to use add constraint. Add constraint and the constraint name, which is we already given on the quiz here on the challenge, fk dim color dim product 3. I will just change this to dim product 3 here. Okay, so we are referencing that this is the alter table and we are adding the constraint. Now we need to mention from which to which we are doing that. So here we need to add the name of the table and the column name here. So here this table has to be foreign key, and it has to be the color column, which is from this table, and reference to dim color table, and it has to be reference. I think the spelling is not right. REFE. So we need to use references dim color, and from here, what is the column name? In the dim color table, I think it's the column name is English color. Yeah. So in the dim color table, we need to specify the color key here, because the reason is here we have also the key column inside to that. The main dim product 3 table, now we converted the value into integers, right? So that here also we need to map with the integer column. So the dim color is going to map with the color column in the dim product 3 table. So if you run this one now, command run successfully, that's fine. So it's going to add the relationship between the foreign key constraint between this dim product 3 and the dim product here. So if you add this sp help 3 now you should see a new information which is showing up here at the bottom. Foreign key fk dim color product 3 and showing up here the references on this table here. References adventure table 3 dim color key here. That's what we mentioned here. But this table name and color name has to be there in your database, then only it will work on that. So for this thing, we have end of this first phase of this challenge of SQL Server 2, and then we're going to come back soon with another part of requirement. Till then, if you like this video, just hit the big thumbs up button. If you're new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, just hit the subscribe button and also share this video with others so that they can also learn from this video. I hope you enjoyed this one. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this till the end. And if you like this video, just hit the big thumbs up button. If you're new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, just hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.